Do you have an online product or service to sell online? Recently, I came across, and I've changed my websites to this software system. It's Russell Brunson with ClickFunnels. It was something that, I've been looking at the online platforms for a long time now, and this is something that I came across that I thought was just excellent. It's called ClickFunnels. I started with this challenge. It was the One Funnel Away challenge, and it was a month-long challenge, and it sort of teaches you first off about sales funnels, which is a big thing, and then sort of like on funnel hacking, how to set up your website. It's all in one. Before I had everything, I had my email marketing in different places. I had my website that hosted. I had a payment channel through PayPal. This all encompasses in one. And, it's something that I think is just fantastic. It teaches about funnel hacking, basically replicating other people's websites that are doing very well. And then it teaches you on how to generate an audience using Facebook and different, modes on where to find the traffic. So basically, I just thought it was just awesome. And I've been using it ever since and seeing a lot of traction. Before, I was just kind of had my website, I'd do a little advertising. It wasn't getting anywhere. But the principles that I've learned from this One Funnel Away challenge have, been amazing. So it's definitely something I recommend. It's called the One Funnel Away challenge with Russell Brunson. He's all over YouTube. Lots of knowledge there. And if you're really trying to make traction through online sales, I would definitely recommend doing this One Funnel Away challenge and joining the ClickFunnels platform. Okay, I've attached a link below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like the video to help other young entrepreneurs succeed in business.